So let's talk about some common problems. All of us in spatial analysis and modeling really have a couple of common issues, whether we realize it or not. So the first one is fragmentation. It's not new to us that you have to go get your data from wherever you get them. Then you have to jump on a platform to process your data. Then you jump on another platform to build your maps or your models. And then to deploy it, you need your VMs jammed in. Then lastly, you want to visualize it to your stakeholders. Where are you going to do that? You jump on another platform. And this fragmentation problem really only multiplies when you throw some people into the mix. You've got to work with some data labelers. You're sending your shapefiles back and forth, labeling, emailing, re-downloading. It's endless. And lastly, the issue of scaling. If you've been working with raster or vector files above a certain size, you're probably quite familiar with this message on the screen there. And it's for all these reasons that in this age of machine learning, that I actually can't see a future where maps are going to get smaller or easier to build. In fact, they're only going to get harder and more complex to build. So what are we going to do about this? Introducing Nika Planet. This is an all-in-one platform. We have completely redesigned and reimagined GIS workflows from the ground up, using powerful infrastructure and AI to drive that for you. Follow me on our hypothesis here. To solve the issue of fragmentation, we hope to simplify workflows using AI and make collaboration seamless. To increase productivity and reduce cost, we leverage a fine-tuned AI on a GDAL native environment. And finally, to solve the issue of scaling, we leverage a Kubernetes-based serverless architecture to maintain optimal performance, even with large workloads. Now, how powerful can this AI truly be? Let's find out. So, we believe that you can use the GDAL and geospatial Python fine-tuned AI to code. So you should be able to, for example, type into the text prompt, write me a Python script to create NDVI using raster.io. You type that in, you press enter, the AI creates your script for you. Now, you should also be able to edit your code with a side-by-side view, allowing you to seamlessly review your code and tweak it all at once. Finally, the AI should be smart enough to not only write your codes, but it should also review your codes and flag any bugs it picks up, and also suggest ways to fix your bugs. Okay, so you've written your script, you've got to spin up a VM to build your maps. And we think that, instead of having to get some fancy DevOps guy or whoever to build your tech stack, you should be able to click one button and it pulls up a full menu of your CPUs and GPUs available at your disposal. Let's say you want to do a quick raster analysis, you can click on your lower end CPU. You want to start modeling something pretty complex, you click on your higher end GPUs. Or better yet, you want to download a stellar image really rapidly, you click on your downloader option. Okay, after fine-tuning your maps, you should be able to simply click one button to deploy, as you can see on the screen there. And on the top left of that screen, there's a share button that gives you a shareable link. Copy and paste that into your teams, get your teammates to jump into the project all at once, code together, build your maps together, and so forth. So I've just shown you a little bit. What else is there? We believe that we see a future where you can easily integrate open source work and GIS infrastructure together. For example, this SAM model that you can see above me, segment anything model, you should be able to seamlessly pull code from your GitHub repository, jump onto this infrastructure, deploy it, and this is just one use case that our team is experimenting right now. As you can see, it is segmenting out the houses seamlessly. And I'm going to leave you on this last note. So we've talked about sourcing data all over this conference now. It is kind of a bit of a pain. So we believed and have designed, wrong one. A one-stop data hub where it pulls up a full catalog of all your open source data sets. You should be able to upload your area of interest that you have already pre-drawn, and your data sets then layers over that seamlessly. Thank you so much. And I hope you can see that it is possible to code, analyze, collaborate, visualize all together on one platform. My name's Diana, and our platform is called nikaplanet.com. Come see me if you'd like to chat about it. Cheers.